The critical part of the operation is to look for the wreckage of the boat that had imploded off the coast of Porbandar after a 60-minute long chase by the Coast Guard. Ashish ahead. Times Now's Ashish is on board the Dornier aircraft, which is out looking for the wreckage, and he sent us this report.
The continuous sorties of Indian Coast Guard Dornier aircrafts are being carried out from Porbandar. We are on board one such sortie, and it's a mammoth task for the Indian Coast Guard to actually find out debris or any other electronic evidence. How the entire search operation is being carried out. Just to give you a sense of this, this is the panel monitor where the operators are basically looking for the area where the operation was carried out, around 365 kilometers off Indian coast, and these are the panels through which the Indian Coast Guard officers are continuously monitoring. They have deployed few ships, and with the help of other Dornier aircrafts, the search operation is being carried out. In fact, if my cameraman can show, the sea is very rough out here. Remember, the distance from the coast is around 360 to 80 kilometers of Indian coast, and at that distance the sea is usually rough, and that is the reason the Indian Coast Guard ships are finding it extremely difficult to retrieve any debris or bodies or any other electronic equipment that were used by the suspected terrorists after the ship was neutralized. The sea is very rough there. The sea state has gone up to 3 to 4 in this part, and the Dornier aircrafts are continuously conducting the sortie. The Indian Coast Guard officers are constantly monitoring the specific area. The ships have been deployed, but looking at the weather and the distance from the coast, it appears that it's going to be extremely difficult for the Coast Guard officers to get any evidence from that location where the suspected boat was neutralized. So the main focus as far as the probe and further evidence is concerned is going to be completely on the electronic or the call intercept that were made by the NTRO and other intelligence agencies. With Ashish Dayalkar, this is Ashish Singh for Times Now. We are on board Indian Coast Guard Dornier aircraft CG-787 deployed in the search operation of Pakistani boat and wreckage around 380 kilometers off Indian coast, exactly at international maritime borderline between India and Pakistan. Times Now is the only channel that's been allowed to cover the search operation by the Indian Coast Guard. In fact, we are currently hovering exactly about the location where this operation was carried out by the Indian Coast Guard. And there you see, if my cameraman can zoom in and show, this is the exact location where the operation was conducted. We are very close to the international maritime boundary line between India and Pakistan. This is the exact location where the Pakistani boat with suspected terrorists were neutralized. We are very close to maritime border between India and Pakistan, hardly 5 to 6 nautical miles away from that location. The ship of the Coast Guard ship which has been deployed here is a pollution control vessel, PCV, ICGS PCV Samudra Pehari. It's a specialized kind of ship which can detect the oil coming out from the sunk boat easily. Not only this ship, few other ships of the Indian Coast Guard have been deployed in this region. We know the exact number of and the name of the ship, but keeping the national security in mind, we are not allowed to disclose the exact locations and the names of the ship. What we have been told is that this is the exact location around 380 kilometers off Indian coast, exactly at the maritime border between India and Pakistan, where the ship has been deployed. There you see, my cameraman can zoom in and show you the ship which has been deployed is ICGS PCV Samudra Pehari, which is continuously monitoring the area and keeping a vigil on this in this area to look for the debris and other bodies or electronic equipment, if possible, to recover from the ship. What you see is an Indian Coast Guard ship. There are 2 to 3 more ships which have been deployed in this area. In fact, in addition to these ships, few other Dornier aircraft sorties are being conducted by the Indian Coast Guard to make sure that in case any debris or body or electronic equipment or wreckage comes up and starts floating, then it will be quickly recovered by the Indian Coast Guard. These are the exclusive and first visuals of the exact location from where the Pakistani boat along with the suspected terrorists were neutralized, extremely close to maritime borderline between India and Pakistan. We are hovering above exact the same location where the Indian Coast Guard, with the help of intelligence agencies, had neutralized the suspected terrorists. With Ashish Dayalkar, this is Ashish Singh. Good times now.